Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to disable startup apps on Mac. Some apps, when installed, automatically enable themselves on startup of your device, but you may not want it. To disable it, click on the app logo, then go to System Settings. Then go to General, Login Items, and now you can see that I have 3 apps that will automatically open at login. But if I don't want them to open at login automatically, then just click on the app you want to disable and click on the minus. That's how you can do with all of the apps you don't want to open at startup. And you may also want to have some apps open at startup. To do that, just click on plus, then select any app from the applications folder, or if you somehow have any apps that are not in the applications folder, you can also find them because it just opens the Finder window. And for example, let's say I want Safari to open every time I log in to my Mac. So that's how you do it. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.